The NWA Broadcast Committee upholds professional standards and ethical practices in weather communication. The committee actively recruits new members to NWA, supports the ongoing membership of existing members, and encourages all our colleagues in the broadcast industry to obtain and maintain their NWA Seal for broadcast and/or digital certification. Applying for an NWA Seal is a great way to further your meteorological credentials and get valuable feedback from seasoned members of the NWA. The seal is a mark of distinction. It signifies that the holder has demonstrated exemplary meteorological knowledge and exceptional communication skills. The committee also monitors industry trends and adapts to change as weather forecasting and broadcasting continues to evolve.